New at 5, a pair of bills in Madison would add a new step before your child can check out a book at a public library. They would require parents and guardians to be notified which book they check out every time. A public hearing took place today in Madison on the Republican-backed Senate bills.
This bill puts the parent and/or guardian in the driver's seat to have conversations with their children about any materials or themes that they find their child is not ready to be exposed to.
I guess thinking about what this would do to libraries and how much more work they would have to do.
Our Julia Fellow took the temperature of parents and organizations who are for and against this idea.
The pair of bills would require every public library, including school libraries, to notify a parent every time a child under the age of 16 has checked out a book, and the library would have to do so within 24 hours. Under the state's current law, barring few exceptions, records identifying who borrowed a book from a library cannot be disclosed. Liberal-leaning organizations like A Better Wisconsin Together want to keep it that way. They believe these Republican-backed bills encroach on a student's right to learn and could be a slippery slope to push for book ban initiatives.
It might impede what types of books they can read that they want to read.
Lucy Ripp argues that parents of children under 16 can already request to see a list of what their child checks out and called these bills an attack on librarians.
It just puts an added burden on librarians and teachers as well, in addition to a student's freedom to read books that are interesting to them and educational.
We spoke to parents at Milwaukee Public Library on Good Hope Road about these bills. Mom of 3, Manuela Carter, supports the idea.
I think that's important. Nowadays there's so much things that's going on in this world that you need to monitor your kids and know what they checking out in the library.
As a parent, I would want to know that.
Oh, it's not invasion of privacy, because as parents, that's what we need to do, be involved more in our kids' life so we can know what they likes and what they dislikes.
As a parent, you want to know what your child is, what's going on in their head.
Republicans who introduced the bill did, however, say they would consider an amendment for parents to opt out, but could not say just yet about how much this bill could cost taxpayers. In Milwaukee, Julia Fellow, TMJ4 News.
The Wisconsin Library Association has no official position on the proposals. We also reached out to Governor Evers to learn his stance, but did not hear back.
Milwaukee police investigating a deadly pedestrian crash. This happened